Alright, what's good, YouTube? Alright, for this example, price is bullish on the 1 hour time frame. This is the breaker structure to the upside here, and price does not give us a breaker structure to the downside. Price has a 1 hour fair value gap, but I'm not even really looking at that. I was originally looking at the 15-minute time frame fair value gap here. So higher time frame does equal higher power, but I believe whenever the 1 hour and the 15-minute are in alignment, you can start to use your 15-minute confluences instead of your 1 hour. You can still use both of them though. Um, anyways, yeah, so there is this well shoot. There was this 15-minute fair value gap here, and price was bullish because price just broke structure to the upside here. Price entered into this 15-minute fair value gap. Since the 1 hour and the 15-minute are in alignment with each other, we can scale it down into the 1 minute time frame and look for a break of structure. Also, there is a low here and there's a high here. So if I drew equilibrium, which I do have drawn, but I have it hidden right now, price is in the 50% mark, so it's in equilibrium, it's in the discount. So price has a higher probability of buying. And yeah, price, as you can see here, has a bullish candle coming out of it as well on the 15-minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, uh, the the fair value gap was here within this area. Okay, price came into the equilibrium area, and price came into the 15-minute fair value gap area, and then gave us a 1 minute bullish break of structure to the upside, and then price created a fair value gap, a 1 minute fair value gap right here. Price entered into the 1 minute fair value gap and showed bullish pressure coming out of it with this bullish candlestick. And price had also created a breaker block, or not a breaker block, an order block. Technically, this is the order block here, okay, technically, but I drew an order block here, and it's basically the same thing, because within this area, price filled orders, and that's what is causing the break of structure to the upside. So based off of this bullish candlestick and price entering in to this 1 minute fair value gap, I entered. So, and also price, if we draw equilibrium from here, from the low, which a low is made from a low then a high. So I drew the equilibrium from here. I guess technically it was here, but same thing. And then I drew it to the high, and price entered into equilibrium and this fair value gap, and is showing bullish pressure coming out of it. And keep in mind, this is my order block. So I entered, okay. This is my take profit 1. This is a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And as soon as take profit 1 gets hit, I move my stop loss. So my stop loss is moved to break even. Okay. All right, waiting for a TP2 to get hit. We get stopped out. Okay. But we can enter into this trade again. Okay. Because the trade is not invalidated until this low is broken. Until this low is broken, that's whenever the trade is invalidated. So price comes down. Okay. And guess where price comes down into? We go ahead and draw this here. We can get rid of this. Price comes down into our order block and shows bullish pressure coming out of it. So what can we do with this? We can re-enter. Put our stops here. Keep it tight. It's close enough. And then we'll have our first take profit here at the 1-to-1. We'll have our second take profit here. And then we'll have our third take profit where I just had that line out here. And then we'll have our fourth one at this top here. So 6 to 4. So let's see what happens. Boom shakalaka. So that is a really good trade, dude. It's really solid. Um, it's everything I'm looking for. I got no I did not get stopped out, not one time. No, I did get stopped out, but I didn't lose any money during this trade. And I got a 1 to 6, and then I hit my first take profit here, which was a 1 to 1. So it's basically I risked $25. When I start back trading, I'm going to be risking $25 each. So this is by far the highest RR trade that I've taken so far, and I think it's just insane. It's crazy. I've never taken a trade this high in RR before, but yeah, or this good, not this high. But all right. I guess that's the end of this video. Hope you all enjoyed. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.